Hi guys, today is the first video of 2024, so happy new year. I hope everybody had a great and safe New Year's Day or Eve, whatever, like, you know, like, because you party in the New Year's Eve into the New Year's Day. Hopefully it's going great. I know it's only like our 4th day out here. It's past the 3rd day out here. I feel like I have makeup on my hands, but I just did my base because I want to try this look because I saw this on a short where this girl did the complementary color to her eye color to make it pop, but she did it in a way where it's like it didn't look like she had eyeshadow on. So I'm gonna try that today. I'm gonna use purple because I believe that's the opposite of the brown on the color wheel, so that my eyes will pop. I think I'm gonna try one eye just so we can see the difference and see if it actually works. First off, I want to start off with like a little base first. So I'm just going to go into the ColourPop palette with Gone Matte. It's called Shaggy, this color right here, because it's the closest to my skin tone. I'm just gonna do both eyes with this so they both have a base. I did put a primer on. This is Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer, and I put a base on. I've been really into tinted moisturizer. I use the NARS tinted moisturizer. I don't even know how to pronounce that, so hopefully you guys can see that. I hope you guys can see that color. But I am going to put a base down. So as you guys can see, it's like literally my skin tone. And now this is where things get a little weird. So I'm gonna go into a purple color, like a purple eyeshadow. Just use whatever purple eyeshadow that you have. And we're going to put it, I don't know if I want to use a deeper color. Maybe I'll use a deeper color because it's close to black. And we're going to like line our eyes. I have to find a liner brush. Hold on, let me find a liner brush. So I'm gonna use these brushes from ColourPop. These are the closest brushes I could find to like a liner brush that I could use, because we're gonna use eyeshadow as a liner. So first thing she did was, oh my gosh, my watch. I just got an Apple Watch and Siri needs to mind her business. No, I didn't mean to call you.
I'm not sure I understand.
They're always listening. Anyways, so as you guys can see, I have a little purple on my brush, and what I saw the girl did, I could not find the video, so I'm kind of going off of memory. She put it in her inner corner. Oh man, I should have done this eye, but it's okay. Just put it in your inner corner, like to the point where you can't really see it, but you kind of can see it, if that makes sense. So just do that. And I think she put it on the bottom as well. So I'm gonna put a little right there. And then we're going to use it as like a wing. So that's why I have my base on, because it's super simple makeup. So we're gonna go right here and just line our eyes like you would do like a wing liner. And I'm gonna get it like close to my lash line. And then since we don't want to look like we have makeup on, I'm just gonna add like mascara. I hope you guys can see this because I feel like this is the most natural thing ever. But I'm trying to get back into makeup, so that's why I'm starting the year off with a makeup tutorial. I don't even know if people still do makeup tutorials, but I used to love them, so I kind of want to get back into them. Because last year I definitely did not wear a lot of makeup. I was focusing on just like the natural me, I guess, but I kind of want to combine it. So like I'm gonna like do more natural hair tutorials, but I still want to do makeup, I still want to do fashion, and I may do wigs here and there. I want to try like clip-in extensions. I want to try straightening my hair more, like stuff just a little bit different but yet the same. So we're just getting back into the swing of things. I know this is a simple little thing, but you know, if it makes my eyes pop, that's a good thing. So I'm gonna bring some of the purple down here as well. I don't know if I should connect it like this. I'm gonna tight line it, I guess. But as you guys can see, I don't even know if it made a difference or not, but I kind of want to brush this purple off. But you can kind of see, let me zoom in so you guys can see it a little bit more. I probably should have done that liner better because it kind of looks like a hook because of my hooded eyes. Because when I look down, it looks fine, but I need to like have my mirror here. Anyways, you get the gist. Hopefully I do it better on the other side, but that's what it looks like. I don't like it. And this is the second time I filmed this video and I didn't like it the first time. But yeah, maybe let me use concealer because maybe I can fix this. Let me try to fix this. Okay, I should show you guys how I fixed the other one just so it's a little sharper. I just got a concealer brush like this and I went straight across like this. I had more concealer, but I feel like I don't need that much. And then just bring it down. I need to work on my liner game because my hooded eyes, like when I relax, it looks like a little U, as you guys can see. But you know, we're still learning. I feel like I'm starting makeup all over again. So this should be interesting. So hopefully throughout the year, like my makeup game gets better and better because right now your girl is struggling with just friggin' liner. I know I should do my liner, like I should relax my eyes like this, you know, I look scary, and then do my liner. Because right now I feel like this doesn't need to be there. You know, like this part. I'm just deleting it. But yeah, that looks a lot better when you don't go above that humpy part. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have hooded eyes. Let me know what you guys do when you do liner. Okay, now that I have something going on, I don't know if I should push it and like do an inner highlight with purple, but I mean, why not? Since this is so like simple, like I'm gonna try it. It looks a little like, I don't know, because maybe if when I zoom out, I don't know why it's not focusing on my face, but maybe when I zoom out, it won't look like I have liner on. But I'm gonna go on this Pat McGrath palette. There's like a purple highlight, so I'm gonna add very little. I'm gonna tap off the excess to my inner corner because I just love the look of an inner corner highlight. So just focus it right on the like pointy part of your eye. Like so. I don't know, it gives it a little something. And let me know if you feel like my eyes are popping. And I hope I picked the right color because I think purple was across. I'll have to look at the color wheel again and see. And if it's not, we're gonna try with a different color another time. Okay. So I think that is very pretty. Okay, we're gonna stop. And now I'm gonna add my layers and layers of mascara. I like to start with the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. And I like to do this mainly on the base. This mascara is definitely dry, but for some reason I really like dry mascara. I feel like it just looks better. And I'm gonna focus a lot of it on my outer corner, I think, because we have a little wing and we want to cover that. So it looks like we don't have eyeshadow on. So do the other eye. And now I'm gonna add Fenty Beauty and Hella Thick mascara. In the beginning, I was like, I don't really like this mascara, but as it got dry, now I am obsessed with this mascara. Because my lashes are naturally really curly, and I don't like when they're like super curly with mascara, because I feel like it doesn't look as long. So this one, when I put it on the top or the tip of my lashes, it like lengthens my lashes so much. Once I finish this, I'm going to show you guys. It is a little messy, but I'm like, whatever. I don't know. I feel like my mascara game is on point now. Because people are like, oh my god, your natural lashes are so long. And they're not even. But the way I put on mascara is what makes it look like I have long lashes. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like compared, like I'm gonna do a little bit more, but you guys can see the difference. Like it looks like I have a whole bunch of lashes, and then it's just like womp womp. But these two combinations together, bomb diggity. So let me finish this. All right, and to clean up my mascara, I use just like a Q-tip, and then just brush it away. It's easier when it is dry. So yeah, that's what I've been doing lately, like just been caking on the mascara and then just cleaning it up afterwards. I mean, sometimes it messes up your eyeshadow. Like I feel like it wasn't completely dry, but you get the point. Like this side is really black. Blade. I don't know, I feel like it wasn't dry enough because I kind of just waited a little bit. But usually like if I go to work and then I just clean it up once I like after my drive, it's like perfect. But we're just gonna pretend like we purposely did that. But anyways, as you guys can see, like look at how long my lashes look. This is like turning into like my mascara hack instead of like my eyeliner, make your eyes pop. But yeah, because we kind of failed at that. But let me zoom out so you guys can see my beautiful brown eyes. So hold on. Okay, so this is what the look looks like zoomed out. I added this Fenty lip gloss, and it is in Mauve Wives. I think it's really pretty, and I'm like, oh, I might as well go in the purple theme. So this is the finished look. It is super simple, but as we go throughout the year, I'll try more and more different, like more extravagant looks. But I wanted to do something for my eyes to pop. Maybe I'll try this throughout the week going to work. But let me know if you feel like it actually works, like this hack. And let me know if I used the right color. Because hopefully I did. But this is what it looks like. Oh yeah, and also let me know how you guys do your hooded eyeliner. I need to work on that because I don't know what is going on with my eye. I don't know if I'm getting older. But it is just, I feel like my liner is just not giving. I think it's just because I haven't done makeup in a while. So let me know how I did in the comment section. And yeah, first video of the year done. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. See ya.